Ansmar Publishers is a company in San Diego, California that publishes Excel Math. This videotape of Excel Math is in two segments. The first provides the background, the history, and the purpose for Excel Math. The second segment trains educators in the use of Excel Math in the classroom. It's intended to be used as both an in-service work tool and an informative presentation.
Excel Math is a complete mathematics curriculum for kindergarten through 6th grade students. It has been used in the classroom successfully since 1976, with refinements added each year. Mathematical concepts, or threads, are woven in a smooth and coherent strand of learning. Following their introduction to the mathematical material, students are given repeated practice in the use of each concept to envelop themselves in a blanket of security with which to confidently build their mathematical skills.
Raise your hand if you've ever seen a fraction before. How many of you
Excel Math is grounded in basic math concepts. It was developed by reviewing existing mathematics curricula, observing classroom teaching methods, collecting suggestions from teachers, and considering results from standardized math tests. The entire program was crafted by one person to prevent the fragmentation characteristic of many mathematics curricula. It was designed to enhance existing teaching skills and to give students distributed practice on each concept throughout the year. Excel Math provides a dynamic foundation in math. The outcome is a curriculum that produces results.
Rectangle, a rectangle. Excellent.
Excel Math has three fundamental objectives. The first is to develop thinking skills. The students work a variety of concepts and manage word problems, learning how to evaluate each problem independently rather than performing algorithms by rote. This is accomplished by teaching them how to properly analyze a question before answering it.
Minus. So what did you do right here? You added them. So why don't you erase this answer and subtract those two problems?
The second objective is to build proficiency. Excel Math introduces new concepts while reviewing previously taught concepts, enabling students to master the old while being challenged with the new. And the third objective is to produce confidence with a positive experience in math. The students receive immediate feedback on their progress by using Excel Math's unique check answer system.
And if those check answers don't match up, that means you need to go recheck the answers to the problems you've done.
It allows them to check their work every 3 to 4 problems and correct wrong thinking immediately instead of completing their paper and waiting for the results. Each child can receive a score of 100% on his daily paper if he takes the time to ask for help when the check answer does not match the sum of his answers. An added benefit of Excel Math is improved test scores. Whether remedial or gifted, students using Excel Math have consistently scored higher throughout the nation. Excel Math comes in lesson sheets that are packaged by class sizes, ready to use straight from the box. The lesson for the day, as well as the homework, is on the front of the lesson sheet. The guided practice, which is a combination of concepts learned to this point, is on the back. Teacher editions are available with copies of each lesson sheet. They contain the answers, plus a lesson plan for teaching the daily concept. Math is a series of building blocks. Without a solid foundation, the entire structure for learning collapses, making it nearly impossible to teach or to understand new concepts. With Excel Math, the foundation for learning is fortified to become a complete and solid structure. Excel Math smoothly integrates one lesson to another, building concepts that are taught gradually in one continuous thought process. This keeps the students from thinking that each concept is merely a separate idea. Each lesson sheet consists of a variety of exercises that incorporate a review of previously learned material, along with the introduction of new skills. Students are continuously challenged with new material, yet given the opportunity to continue mastering previous concepts. Students remember concepts due to continual repetition rather than mastering a concept before moving on to another one. This makes it possible to cover more content over a given time.
Good.
There is more time on task because no time is wasted copying problems from a book. This allows more opportunity for the teacher to interact with students while working the guided practice, which incorporates a variety of math exercises relating to various concepts. A unique feature of Excel Math is the check answer system. In grades 2 through 6, students check their work every 3 to 4 problems. The student adds together the answers within a group of problems and then compares the sum with the provided check answer. If the numbers do not agree, the student knows that at least one of his answers is incorrect. He can go back and correct his own work while his interest level is at its highest. This gives immediate feedback. Homework is available every 4 out of 5 lessons, with a test every 5th lesson in grades 2 through 6. Because of the mix of math problems and the gradual spiraling of concepts, students do not need to be divided into groups by ability levels. This makes record keeping easier and avoids the social stigmas commonly associated with grouping based on ability or achievement levels. Student lessons, homework, and weekly tests are user-friendly. In the separate teacher edition, lesson plans and guidance for manipulatives are self-directing and give the teacher several examples for presenting the material. Schools across the nation using Excel Math report consistently improved test scores. There are several ways to get started with Excel Math. The first is to in-service your teaching staff by viewing the second half of this tape and initiate all grade levels at the same time. A second method is to have 1 or 2 schools pilot the curriculum for a dedicated period of time and then use the enthusiasm and experience of those teachers to educate the rest of the district. A third option is to introduce Excel Math to all kindergarten through 2nd grade classes the first year, adding a grade level each successive year. This fluidly channels the younger grade levels into the higher grade levels. At this point, they are familiar with the basic format before they go on to learn the more advanced concepts. When you choose to get started with Excel Math, use the order form provided in the sample packet or call us toll-free, 1-866-866-7026. Within San Diego, please call 858-513-7900 and let our staff assist you. You may also contact us through our website, excelmath.com, and find samples of Excel Math, a comprehensive scope and sequence for each grade level, current pricing information, and an order form. Thank you for your interest in Excel Math. We look forward to helping you and your students experience success and excel with math.
For training on how to use Excel Math, please continue to watch this tape.